Looks good though. Shoot. Got everything mudded. Still got to put the door in.
What's going on, guys? Back at the shop. We have been doing some more work upstairs. Right now Pedro's still up there knocking it out, but I actually just got the word that the dyno might be ready to be tested out. So we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna take the S14 over to PFI. Heard they got the dyno running, so we're gonna make the drive over real quick and strap her down. It'll be the first time the dyno's been ran in a while. It'll be the first time the S14 has ever been on a dyno, at least since we've had it. We'll see what she makes as long as everything's working with the dyno. So Brent is also doing a lot better since the accident. We're gonna go over and see him, but yeah, I guess let's just jump right into it.
Oh, Pedro, get your car out the way. Holy, what the shoot? Yeah. What is that?
What the fuck?
Fenders are flying like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my gosh.
What is that? Where'd that even come from?
240 got wood. Wishbone?
We traveled so far to get here and look what happens. There it goes.
Got it. Well, it stopped beforehand, so I caught it. I was like, what is that?
It's like a big piece of wood. What'd you get, a black wood on you?
Yeah. When I was opening the door. Fucker was dangling from my hat right in front of my face.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Ready to dyno again?
Yeah, feel my straps.
Got the 240 on the dyno. They got the plates made. They got the D-rings in the ground to strap it down. We got the TV on the toolbox because we don't have a wall mount yet. Ready to try it out. What do you guess?
346.
Man, I'm thinking like, I'm gonna say 318, but it might be like 280s. I don't know. I'm gonna guess 318. Oh no, I didn't get it.
What happened, bro?
You gotta try it again.
Didn't get it that time?
They didn't get it.
It's blowing the tires.
Yeah, it was blowing the tires off.
Yeah.
She don't mess around.
Dyno sauce?
We need dyno sauce. She was spinning.
Yeah. I'll probably do fourth gear position.
Yeah?
Hey Brent, just roll like first gear. I'm gonna see if it'll record one real quick.
Yep, 93. It just did a stock D16. 93.
You're good.
346. What did you guess?
340.
It made 346.
That's what I guessed.
That's what Brent guessed. He guessed that.
Did he?
He guessed that.
No way. That's fucking on the number.
He guessed that. He literally guessed that. And I said 318. He guessed
I
it.
wrote in it once.
Brent guessed that.
The first pull. My first real pull.
What was smoking?
It's the valve cover. It's where the valve cover is at. It's open. It's shooting oil.
Yeah.
It's,
Because it goes right on the turbo manifold.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it goes right here
Yeah,
on the
that
manifold.
goes
Spits
right on.
oil onto the manifold, so it's fine.
Yeah, you just gotta put a catch can on it.
Yeah.
We don't even have a catch can on it.
just needs a new valve cover gasket.
346? That's crazy, dude.
I totally did guess it on the number. I'm pretty sure he guessed. I said 318, and then I was like, I'm gonna be surprised if it makes. I was like, I wouldn't be surprised if it makes like 280. Yeah, he said 346, and I was like, shooting high, but I guess.
That's it, dude.
Right on the dot.
That's crazy, dude.
That's it? It's been on 18 before.
I saw 13. 18 has got to be a blast.
Yeah. I turned it down.
I see.
Yeah, it made 335 or something that time. Just because it was in third gear, not as much load, yeah. Alright guys, so the S14 just made 346 on the first pull in fourth gear, and then third gear just made like 330. That was only on 13 PSI. We do have the manual boost controller, so we turned it up just a little bit. We started really small, so this might not add too much more boost, maybe like a pound, but we're just gonna start there, see what she does, try to get her close to like maybe 18 pounds, because that's what it was on when I got it from Emilio originally. And now it's built internal, so it can hold it. What?
How many turns did you do?
I only did like a half turn, so it's not gonna bring it up much. Yeah. Yeah, I made 346 again. Woo! 355. Yeah.
19 pounds, and then it dropped to 16 on the top.
Yeah, that was 355.
Not bad.
Well, we just dynoed the 240. Pedro got most of the mud knocked out, but they have to head over to Florida for the weekend for Ricky's baby shower.
Yep.
So
For a couple days.
They're gonna be gone until Tuesday. And then when we get back, we will be continuing.
Right back at it.
So I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing.
You better be doing something.
Gotta figure something out. And all the hard parts done.
All the hard parts done, all we gotta do is text her when I get back and start painting.
And then the floors.
Oh yeah.
Yep, and
That's
then the
finishing
floors.
touch. I can't wait to see it in here. Like with the painted walls.
It's gonna look nice.
Once that TV gets hung up, game time.
Then nothing gets done.
Literally Fortnite game.
All right guys, one thing before we get out of here, we do have some extra Boostedboiz shirts that we're gonna try to put on the website. I know we've been getting a lot of messages about the shirts, and we've been slacking on it for sure. We've been focused on the shop lately. We wanna get our merch up and going here really soon, but we do have some leftover shirts, so we're gonna try to put those up on the website. So be sure to go check them out if you want a shirt, and we will get them shipped out as soon as we can, and we'll also try to get some more made as well. But Figure we try to throw some up while it's around Christmas time, try to get some out for you guys. We are sorry, we're slacking on the merch for sure, but we're slowly getting everything together.
Yeah, we'll get on it. Once I get back, knock out some more stuff and get a bunch of these shirts out. We're trying to get, I mean, we have the other ones too, but
yeah, we have a couple of the old style too.
So we'll just get these up and then we'll show them the other ones that we have. So, yeah.
Yep, just wanted to mention that as well.